so that'll dry just a little bit while I go to the other side. And while it dries just a little bit, you don't want it to get too dry because then it's like trying to cake on top of it. But just let it get a little tacky. Again, you're pointing the inner lashes towards the nose, the outer lashes towards the ear. So you get a fanned effect when you are tipping it out. And then you comb it the same way. You comb from the root to the end, out that way. Then as you come to the middle, you come more straight up. When you're right dead center in the middle, you do comb straight up slowly, very slowly. And what that does is kind of stand them straight up. And then kind of fan them towards the nose. Again, we're going to go down here and wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle, wiggle down, 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 wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle, wiggle. And the wiggle is just causing these little spikes on the spoolie comb to go on either side of the lash so that it coats it better. That's why people do that. They act like it's some new concept. I've been doing that for 30 years. It's cute to me that everybody finally figures out everything we knew. And we figured it out because we were young and we figured it out too. And I'm going back over this. Very slowly come through. Why? Because what you're doing is you're letting the product come off the wand. And then you're kind of bending it back. You're almost like doing an eyelash curler. Again, bend back very slowly. Point those towards the nose, point those towards the nose. And if you want to add a little more, sometimes the best thing to do is use the tip in and pull down. Like that. And the same thing out here and over here. Just use a tip in. Because now they've figured out that you need that extra, those little prickles on the end to comb through. And so almost all mascara ones that have combs instead of spoolies, but even the spoolies, the brush spoolies, have that. So again, you can tip it out again. I didn't. But I'm coming through very slowly. And what that's doing is dropping off a lot of product again, very gooey product. And then it comes it back off, and I'm kind of bending it backward when it does. See how that kind of fans it up? And then I'm going over here again. A little bit of a boo-boo under there, but that's okay because I've actually got some dark product under there, and so I'm going to just leave it. If that bugs you, fix it. And that is my look. Is it natural? No. Does it look kind of natural because of the colors? Yes, but it looks also very made up. And that's what I like. So what would I say about this palette? The Too Faced Natural Eyes. By the way, you can see I didn't do my nails. I'm fixing to do this, what's it called? Ballet slippers from Essie. It's almost like a white pink after I do my miracle nail. Trying. What would I say about this? It's so pretty. I think I would want it in my collection because I do YouTube videos. Do you need it? No. And I really don't want to promote the nasty names. Sorry, Too Faced. Why don't you start having some names that aren't all about having sex or promoting sensuousness? Makeup isn't all about that. Makeup is like art. You don't have to think of makeup as, oh, she wants to be sexy. You know? Let me sit here and do this while we're talking. And you know what it just showed me? It must put a little film on top. I'm putting this, while we're talking, I'm putting on a quick layer of this Miracle Nail. And what this does, I think, is it kind of keeps the nail from, it's almost like putting a little sticky glue layer on top to kind of keep it from fraying when you're trying to grow your nails out. Because, you know, if you've had false nails on, it tends to tear up your nail beds. I don't know that that's what people tell you. I don't know that my nails are any different at all than the way they were before I had nails, because my nails have never been strong. But I've had people who said it ruined their nails. I just think you get so used to the smoothness of a fake nail because they look so smooth and nice because it's a piece of plastic or whatever. It's not plastic, but it's either acrylic or gel that hardens, and so it does have a nice smooth surface like the paint job on a car. Now, are your natural nails like that? No. So when you take them off, yes, you can see